to our esteemed chief guest sir, to esteemed chief speaker sir, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and all the dignitaries of the dais, and my dear faculties, students, colleagues, and staffs, and other media persons also. A very welcome to all of you. And as usual, we started by remembering Lord Jagannath, and with that, I just delivered 4 to 5 lines because time is very short, and for as our collector sir has also left out only because of having certain engagement. So I have also certain unavoidable engagement, so I am making it very short, as because the speech of two stalwarts are waiting for us, and really we are very, I am feeling very privileged, proud and honored to address this gathering on the presence of two stalwarts, Dr. Ramnath Mishra and Dr. C.V.K. Mohanty. He is very popularly known all over India, of course I can say, in Odisha also, starting from Secretariat to all the medical colleges, in all the health institutions, Dr. C.V.K. sir. C.V.K. Mohanty is reputed in that way, and I can't resist myself to have certain words about our chief guest, Dr. Professor C.V.K. Mohanty. He is the son of the state, and he has graduated and he has done his medicine MD in the year 1982. After that, he chosen teachership as a passion, and the practicing in medicine as a profession. And he has already, sir has already imparted service, 42 years in practice and 36 years of teaching the students, and he has done so many work in when he has devoted his duty as an administrator, and we have collected a little about that, and without briefing all those things in front of us, I can't resist myself. He has played a pivotal role in management of COVID situation in our state, what we have recently experienced everybody, and when he was in SCB, he has pioneered the total venture of our government to control the dengue fever at that time, and he has also played the very major pioneer role when he has controlled the kernel eating poisonous case, and he has also handled up with a very colorful outcome in Koraput, district like Koraput. And these are the very minimal achievements what we have collected, and what tell about the accolades and other awards and other things. Actually, I don't have any word to explain about him. Then I can't control myself to speak about Dr. Professor Ramnath Mishra. Really, he is the star alumni of the premier medical institution on the yesteryears. He was known as the father of rheumatology and clinical immunology, and rightly we have chosen perhaps to get enlightened our students by such a big personality, and I don't have that courage also to describe his achievements, his awards. He has worked in Oman, he has done his FRCP from London, and he has achieved so many awards, and he has also published near about 242 publications, such a long list. I can't get myself into to venture into those also. I don't have that boldness also, because I am thinking we are a little, very little in front of him. Sir, I wish another innings, what you have just started, both of you have started at KIMS, a premier institute in our state also, in every sphere, not only in medical, in engineering and in everything. Both of these are very, very valuable, and still they are on that patient, treating and teaching. And they are, C.V.K. Mohanty sir also controlling that administrative aura of that organization also. And we miss you, sir, as what the role you have played as DMET. Still we are remembering those activeness, those ethos, those vigor, vitality and vision, and to show off with that kind of glow, glamour and glee. And last but not the least, our Dean sir has already left away. He is the son of this soil, and we are feeling very proud he has certain emotional attachment to this institution. Only because of him, we are here what we are now. And lastly, I congratulate and I welcome and I give my certain oath to the Dr. Professor HOD Bararuchi Das, who is playing the role of superintendent. With his able guidance, able administration, we are controlling near about 10,000 footfalls every day in such a small place. We are dealing almost 3,000 patients every day and 10,000 footfall with 400 students, with near about 200 faculty members, doctors and paramedical staffs and what other else. I just can't think of. And collector also in a high level meeting yesterday, he has described, I am thinking I am giving my heartfelt thanks to all the administrators of Fakirman Medical College in what way they are managing the situation, and not a single complaint I am receiving. Whenever I visited, very surprising visit I gave, but I don't even get a single complaint. So my heartfelt thanks to all my clinical professors, associate professors, assistant professors, SR, JRs, and all the doctors of district headquarter hospital also. And like always, as I say, this is a very Herculean task to speak in front of you people, as because you are the living God, living within this earth, and I don't have that courage also to address living gods by a non-God. And this is the last word to me, to you, my dear students. You just enjoy with all that vision, all that dream, whatever you dreamt for the last 1 month. And to Stalbert, also you have availed as the chief guest and chief speaker. And with these words, last but not the least, the other guests, what they have advised also. Study is the first and foremost thing, what we have to concentrate, and to carry out the name of this Fakirman Medical College Baleswar. At least I can expect in number 3. Can we bypass the one at least from the old alma mater? That is my wish, and with this I am closing my speech and waiting for the big speaking with certain ethos and enthusiasm also. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your lovely address.